How to use Claude Code for beginners, step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Claude Code for beginners. Now, what exactly is Claude Code and how can you get started? Well, if you're someone that wants to start building their own applications you can create with Claude. You can draft and iterate on websites, graphics, documents, and code alongside your chat with artifacts. You can bring your own knowledge and share and collaborate with your team. The best part is that Claude has different plans. So if you just want to get started for free, you can chat on web, iOS, and Android. You can generate code and visualize data. You have the ability to write, edit, and create content and analyze text and images. And you have the ability to search the web. Then you have their Pro plan, which is for everyday productivity. You have more usage and access to Claude Code directly in your terminal. You also have the ability to use more of Claude's models and connect with any contact or tool through integrations. And you have their Max plan at $100, which allows you to choose 5 to 20 times more usage than Pro, higher output limits for all tasks, and early access to advanced Claude features. Now let's get started. To get started, simply head on over to Claude AI and then continue with Google, or you can continue with your email address. Once you do that, you're just going to pick out the email address that you want to use to get started with Claude, and I'm just going to be selecting my Google account for a quick sign up. Now, once you do that, you need to confirm your age and you do need to verify your phone number. So we're just going to do that over here. And I'm just going to enter my phone number. So now once you've entered your phone number and you have verified your account, you can move on into your next step. Now over here, we're just going to click on I understand, and then you're going to enter your name. After that, you're going to add 3 topics that you want to explore. So we're going to proceed like so. After that, let's say I want to get started with, I'm just going to get started with my own topic. And just like so, we can get started. Now you can even browse with their pre-built artifacts. So you can click on Start Exploring and explore some of the artifacts that have been created, including flashcards, this Anthropic Office Simulator, Molecule Studio, and many other things. Now I want to get started and go into new chat, and you can see you have multiple different styles. So you can click on new style and you have different styles as well. On the bottom right, you can select the model. So they have Cloud Opus, Cloud Sonnet, and Cloud Haiku. Now we're going to proceed. We're going to go with Cloud Sonnet 4. You can even upload a file, take a screenshot, or add from GitHub as well. So if you have, pre-built codes or any GitHub project, you can have that be imported over here as well. Now I'm going to go on ahead and proceed, and I'm going to ask it to write a application with a simple X and O game with pink and blue colors. And now it's going to write the application for me. And right now it is drafting the artifact. It is creating my interactive artifact. And on the right side, you can see it is currently coding everything. So you can actually use this to assist you in coding as well, and then just customize it however you want. So we're just going to wait until this has completely been written, and then we will have our complete application. Now this can take some time, especially if you are writing a larger app. And then on the left, it has created my game. It has given me the features as well as how to play, and then I can click on new game. Let's say we want to do like so, and then we have X wins, and then again, whatever I want to do. So we can, reset the game. Now, whenever you create anything using Claude AI, you will see this is the preview version. However, if I click on this, I can go ahead and look at the code. Then if I want to alter anything, I would want to update, let's say, instead of the linear gradient, I want to change this. So I can select that and then click on improve. And then I want to add a circular gradient like this, and then I'm just going to ask it to update, and then after that it is going to change the code. And now you can see that instead of my radial gradients, it's going to add circular gradients, and this will also obviously change the way that your game looks. And just like so, the gradient has been changed, and you will see the updated gradients, a reset button, as well as the winning cells, like so. So whatever you're creating can easily be customized. Let's say we are just going to do a quick game over here. And then if I click on new game, you guys can see that this is now a circular gradient whenever someone wins. Now, if I want, I can even just click on copy and have this entire code be copied. Or if you want, you can even click on publish on the top right. Once you do that, you can publish your artifact and click on publish and copy. This will make it accessible to anyone. And then you can click on copy link, and then if you want to share this with anyone, people will be able to copy the public link like so. And just like so, you can further customize this if you want to make this a computer game. So if you wanted to have an AI the model to perform against the player, you can add that as well. All of these features are completely customizable. Now let's take a look at some of the artifacts. Let's say I want to play a game, and you guys can see there are several games out there. If I want to be creative, I have several, creative ideas, as well as touch grass. So Your Life in Weeks, Forest Explorer, Magic in Grass, Sakura Serenity, Dream Interpreter, Stories in the Sky. So I want to go with Your Life in Weeks. Let's say I was born in 2003 over here. So I'm just going to go back and then select 2003 from here. And then we're going to go with June 24th. And then we're going to visualize, and this is my life in weeks. So you guys can see that this is my current life, and then it has all of these. So I have lived 28% of a full life. I've observed 8,000 days and 88 seasons. Your heart has beaten approximately this many times, and then your societal context, and then below that you have a cosmic perspective as well as a natural world. And then you can click on start over, and then you can start over as well. So you're able to view your life in weeks, and you have several other really creative artifacts that you can explore. We have the attachment style quiz, we have AI platformer game, we have a historical SVG amphitheater, email writing assistant, forest explorer, interactive drum machine, origin stories, meeting notes summary, slime soccer, weekly chronicle, then a one-page PDR maker, and then a AI rhyming clock, where's the sloth, emoji charades, better than very, project dashboard generators, and more. Now, I definitely do think that you have some really interesting artifacts that you can explore. Not only can you explore these amazing artifacts, but you can utilize their prompts as well. So let's say I have this email writing assistant, and if I want to build something of my own, I can scroll down and take a look at their starting prompt. I can click on copy and use this particular prompt, and then further customize the email writing assistant to my personal liking and to the way that I want it to look as well as perform. So all of these amazing customizations are what make Claude an amazing AI tool. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.